Have you ever wondered what impact extreme weather conditions have on a human body, or how the body interacts with the environment during high altitude acclimatization or in freezing cold conditions? An Italian research center is conducting multiple such experiments to study the impact of extreme climate conditions on organisms and objects in highly controlled simulations. Our next report tells you all about it.
This duo of mountain rescuers here is carrying out emergency procedures in blizzard conditions. The only catch, they are actually in a chamber that can mimic the freezing blizzard-like conditions. These climatic chambers at the Italian Research Center are carrying out studies and experiments to record the impact of extreme climate conditions on technology, humans and other biological organisms. The climate here is generated as per the requirements of the study in these highly controlled chambers. From blizzards to scorching heat waves, if you can name it, it can be recreated here.
Terex Cube is a center for simulations of extreme climate conditions. In these rooms, we can reproduce in a systematic and replicable way environments that have extremely low temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to up to 60. And in terms of altitude, we can go up to 9,000 meters. We can combine the wind, the snow, the rain, and all these conditions to create an extreme environment where we can put subjects that need to be analyzed. For example, people. Do studies on people. We have an entire research department that studies these phenomena on people, and we can also introduce objects. And what is most interesting is to combine these two things, having people use these objects in extreme conditions.
These chambers offer a space to find solutions to climate change. The effects of high altitude acclimatization on the body, the impact it has on increasing blood thickness, as well as the effect on blood's capacity to carry oxygen. The research center has been conducting a wide variety of tests. Not just that, even private companies seem to be reaping the benefits, as they have employed this technology to test out their products.
We did some defrosting tests on big machines. These are cabins where people have to be inside. We defrosted them in a cold environment, and the test was to understand how fast the glass of this cabin can be defrosted. The results were excellent for the client as well, and we were able to demonstrate that this glass has a great performance.
The chambers are equipped with video cameras and sensors, which help collect all the data. The goal is simple: to understand the impact of different climatic conditions on a human.
In these rooms, we can accelerate time or expose biological organisms, which can be plants or even other small organisms, to extreme climate conditions in terms of temperature, altitude, humidity, and so on, to understand how these behave with climate changes. One example is that currently plants grow at certain altitudes. With climate changes, these parameters change, and we can reproduce that artificially here in an accelerated way. So researchers can carry out these tests here and see the effects without having to go out, without putting themselves in danger, and within the amount of time they need.
Researchers hope that these experiments can help us understand how to care for our environment a little better, and to find accelerated solutions to extreme climate conditions and climate change. Bureau Report WION, World is One.
WION, now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.